In today's video, I'm going to show you how Apple stock is set to grow even higher in the coming months to new all-time highs, and how you can buy options to ensure a hefty profit in the near term. We start with a quick breakdown, going over the top 5 reasons why it's essentially guaranteed that Apple will rise. Without wasting any more time, here is number 1. Free cash flows. While this possibly confusing term can throw off many, it simply boils down to the cash available for the company to repay creditors or pay dividends and interest to investors. What you need to know is that Apple has had consistent free cash flows in the last 10 years, averaging between $50 and $60 billion annually. Even if we take a conservative estimate of this measure remaining flat for the coming years, it's proof that the company's earnings are incredibly safe. This becomes incredibly important towards the end of the video when we talk about buybacks. Reason number 2 is brand loyalty. This October, we are approaching the release of the iPhone 12. While you'll always hear a lot of critics say nothing has changed, the stats show that it really doesn't matter if the features improve or not. Apple holds the best retention rate on the planet for a brand. 94% of iPhone users will purchase another iPhone when it comes time to upgrade. This, compared to Samsung or others, is nowhere near their levels. You can expect there will be a flood of customers waiting for the long-awaited iPhone 12. Reason number 3 is Apple Pay and services. The rise of Apple has changed the landscape of consumer spending. With more and more retailers hopping on board with Apple Pay, the profits related to this portion of the business are only going to rise. This is on top of the incredible service sector of the business, which is seeing double-digit growth as of Q3 2020. 2 incredible portions of the business that might make up the majority of the profits in the coming years. Reason number 4 is Tim Cook. We all know the CEOs of America receive hefty bonuses. Tim Cook is no exception. While his base salary is nothing to complain about, the bonus he is set to receive if Apple stock jumps to this level is mind-boggling. It is without any doubt that Tim will be trying whatever it takes to artificially push the price of Apple up and up. This included a stock split earlier this year to make Apple more attractive to retail investors like you and me, and as I will go over in number 5, buybacks, a way of pushing the stock price higher without necessarily improving revenues, artificially pumping up the price. Reason number 5, stock buybacks. If you understand stocks, you understand that the value of a company can be calculated by taking all the outstanding shares and multiplying the price per share. So if all else remains the same in theory and the company buys back shares from investors, reducing the number outstanding, the price per share rises. This is what Apple has been doing for years, buying back approximately 3% of all shares outstanding annually. They are looking to continue doing this, and with revenues on the rise, this will just be another piece of financial engineering that will result in the price shooting upwards. With these 5 reasons, it's perfectly reasonable to expect Apple to hit all-time highs in the coming 6 months. And that's exactly what we will be going after in our options play. Today, we are buying the December 18th $155 call for $112. I hope you guys can join along in the play and make some serious gains once the market comes to term with the Apple price target. As always, thank you for watching, and please hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed.